Good morning, folks, and welcome to the Surf Report on tapperproductions.com. Well, a beautiful little morning out there and some little brown rooms out there if you're keen to go and get wet. Oh, Brian's had his share for the day. G'day, Brian. But, yeah, there's a couple out there. Actually, his mate Craig got one of the best ones you'll catch here on the Surf Report, of course. Now, at the moment, light west-south-west winds, and it's northerlies for the next day or two. So, at the moment, we've got light west-south-west winds, clean and glassy on everywhere. Basically, heading away from that low tide, high tide around 1. Water temperature is about 20 degrees. Pretty ugly water out there, so get the old aqua area in the ears after you have the surf. Otherwise, you could have a nasty little sort of ear infection attempt. But basically, yeah, at the moment, South Australia, D-Bar, Tweed Coast, lots of driftwood near those river entrances, so watch out for that. But they're going to be the biggest, and the swell's still around 1.5 metres to 2 metres plus on the sets. Very inconsistent though. Yeah, that'll be the biggest waves when you're looking overhead there. Otherwise, on the points, now Burley's cleaned up a bit, and a few of the points have got a few waves this morning. You're looking at waist to chest on the sets, and a couple of good ones out there. Otherwise, beach breaks. Now, if you know where the good bank is, there's plenty of holes being dug by this swell, so there's plenty of beach breaks to be had. Check right along the coast early before this wind kicks in, and you're looking overhead waves there on and maybe a bit smaller on the shore breaks. On the high tide at lunchtime, try up the northern end in those protected corners up the spit. You may get some gold protected from that northerly and the Tweed Coast back beaches as well, worth a sniff. But yeah, northerlies for the next few days, and then a southerly change coming through on Saturday morning after that big storm rain event we're supposed to get. More rain. Do we need any more? Of course, if you want to check out what the surf's doing, check it out on 105.7 Radio Metro for the Surf Report, 7 a.m, 12 and 3 p.m, 7 days a week. Of course, the Surf Report on Metro is brought to you by the Ivory Tavern, right on the river at Tweed. It's, of course, T-Bone Thursday. That's right. Yummy giant T-bone with veggies and chips, only $7. A great feed. Remember, they got the big Melbourne Cup party. Get your tickets to that, and plenty more going on. Well, I'm off to Sydney on Friday, so a bit worried about the ear infection, so I might give that a miss, even though there's a few good waves and not many people out. But in the meantime, I'll catch you in the waves.